I have a very important question that I want to ask you. How would you like to create unlimited videos with new exclusive animation and transition styles? Find unlimited video topics. Write unlimited video scripts using the AI. Connect unlimited social media accounts and make unlimited profits. Seriously considering selling videos to clients for profits? I mean, that's an easy 2 to 3 grand every week. Of course, to do this, you must create a portfolio ASAP with at least 20 to 30 videos, which again, with Content Reel, should take you just about 30 to 40 minutes to do. Create unlimited vertical, horizontal, and square videos. Find unlimited video topics. Write unlimited video scripts. Publish unlimited video content. And connect unlimited social channels. Not just that, you'll also have unlimited new animation and transition styles exclusively for your videos. And you'll be able to create unlimited projects and save unlimited videos on cloud for your business and for your clients.